Our last big project for the semester is the professional development presentation and reflection. So this project really looks at your ability to demonstrate your ability to take advantage of professional growth opportunities, build partnerships with colleagues and student families, and serve as a community resource and advocate for ELS. So what you're going to do is take part in any professional development activity related to a relevant topic in ESOL. So this could be a professional conference, a local R-Burn event, a webinar, a book on the topic, create another annotated bibliography using peer research. But the topic has to be related to ESOL. So other professional development activities might be appropriate, but just let me know. You're going to then participate in the professional development opportunity, and you're going to create an informative 5-minute presentation based on what you learned to teach your classmates about the topic. So you're the more knowledgeable colleague in this situation and are creating an experience for your classmates to learn more. We always want to go above the PD requirement. So we participate in the PD, but we should come back and be that knowledgeable community resource for our colleagues. So if you can, now you're able to create these screencasts based on these classes. So when you do this, you can then share out to your colleagues that you work with. Send a quick email. Here's a 5-minute presentation on what I learned at the webinar I watched last night. Maybe it gives you some ideas. So you're going to post this to the discussion board, your professional development presentation, and you're going to respond to the postings of 3 classmates. And then you're going to go further. You're going to write a 2-page paper following APA 6th edition conventions, discussing your overall philosophy of instructing and assessing ELS, supported through relevant research and theory, but also how this particular professional development activity impacted that philosophy. So you need to demonstrate your insights into the instruction and assessment of ELS has been developed as you pursued this additional cert in ESOL. Be concise, but still be informative. So your philosophy in teaching and assessing ELS, so you can demonstrate thoughtful insights into how to teach and assess ELS and how the professional development impacted you. It's supported with relevant research and theory, which aligns with our TESOL Standard 5A. That you are able to take advantage of professional growth opportunities and demonstrate and serve as this resource to create this presentation for your classmates. That you met all aspects of the task and that your professional voice came through. So now you have 2 aspects of this project. You have the presentation and you have the reflection. So to submit the presentation, you go here to the discussion board and you click reply, and then you submit, and then you're going to reply to the postings of 3 classmates. And then for your reflection, you're going to submit that here. That's private between yourself and myself. Okay? Here's that rubric again. If you have any questions, let me know as you get working.